blown. It has no output. No output. So we're going to recone it and make it work again. This is the good thing about specific brands. You can recone it. Wow, that one is horrible. It's all broken up. So we're gonna pull it off. Some of them are hard to pull up, some of them are easy. We're going to need to take a screwdriver now and pull it up. There we go. What we're trying to do is break the connection. Once we get that one up, partially popped up, then we'll do the other part. It'll come up a lot easier now. This one here is actually destroyed. Destroyed pretty bad. That's the coil. The whole diaphragm is completely garbage. This is not supposed to come apart like this. The whole apparatus is supposed to come out. We should probably go blow it out with air, and I'll go do that real quick. Ow. That's hot. Alright.
That's hot?
Hot. Getting hot in her.
Apply your clothes?
So take off all your clothes. This is a brand new diaphragm from DD. I'm gonna open it up, pop it out, and be very, very careful. Now, these come extra long for some reason. I don't know why they do that. So I cut them off.
Hey, you know what you should be trying to... Oh, Jesus Christ.
So,
You live?
we do a video and we post it on YouTube and people watch it. Reconing a B3 super tweeter. Okay, a lot of people don't know how to do this.
I think you're jacking other people down. You're trying to make educational videos.
I'm jacking people's style. I'm trying to. Now we're going to stick the screw up in there, that way it is lined up perfectly. You gotta be real careful though. Now I know it's lined up.
You better stop that video, sir. Just delete it. I delete it,
I'll
sir.
cut it out.
Just no. All right.
We're back. We're back. Recone B3. You didn't hear nothing. Okay? We had to cut a little part out there. Okay, guys?
Hey, the world is terrible, sir.
So we're going to add some heat to the terminal here and then add some solder and we'll be all good to go. Pull it up. Spin it around. That one's a little bit longer than I like, but it'll probably still be okay. Add some more. Bring it up. I'm going to pull straight up. That way you don't pull the solder onto the exterior part of the frame there. Now we already have 2 screws lined up. I'm going to take the top and put it back together. Screw it in. Screw it in all equally. You don't want to get one too tight and then do the other one because it can be lopsided there. And once we get these screwed in, we'll go over them again and barely tighten them. You don't want to over tighten these. And then we'll test it. And we'll test it with our handy speaker tester made by Pack. Now, as you can tell, I don't hear nothing. Sometimes that happens. And we have to open it back up and find out why it's not working yet. This happens about 30% of the time. But we'll get it fixed up pretty quickly here. Open it up. And we can tell that didn't hold as well as we thought it would. So we'll make sure we take our time. Never rush the project. Alright guys. We'll let this warm up for just a minute. It is hot enough now. Make sure it gets hot enough before we add this in there. We're not adding this to this part, we're adding it to the part that we're getting warm.
Have you tried this?
Okay. Now we'll test it before we stick it all back together. You'll hear a loud tweeter noise.
Sit on your hand.
You hear it? That means it is put together properly. We're going to go ahead and do the other one also while we're here though.
Yeah, or take a sleeping pill. This is the same movie. See who's gonna win. You're gonna nut or you're gonna fall asleep first.
DD-B3. Matt's Pro Audio has one just like this, and the Recone actually fits these. And so the Recone for these fits the Matt's as well. Tight and tight. We're gonna line it up. He did. He said, okay,
Chet is sending them back on you now.
I'm like, what does I mean? I?
Send him your address.
Hell no.
So you pull up and kick you with you so you can ride his Ranger out there. I just tell him, hey, fool, I keep the man, fool. Fuck the man. Because everything goes, oh, ask Mark this. Yeah. I said, why can't you ask Mark?
Okay. And we'll test it one more time.
You know what I'm saying? I said, I'll have you ask him that.
we're all good. Thanks for watching.